What's up, everybody? It's your boy Deonte Burden for share with you guys how I cook my world famous oxtails. First, we got everything meat clean, get ready to season it before I do my browning process. Just drop some of the basic seasonings in. I'm not gonna go through my recipe with you guys, let you guys know all my secrets. Just sprinkle a couple things here and there on there, get that flavor just right for you guys. Look good enough to eat already. Then I go through my little browning process. I cook the oxtails on each side, probably about 2 to 3 minutes at a low heat, just to get them brown on each side. You see these them fat boy oxtails too. After I got that process done, I get them prepped. I'd add in my potatoes, I add in my onions and everything in there. So I give them like nice sized portions because you know when they start cooking, they're gonna shrink up in there. Also, guys, put in some mushrooms and that get a little extra flavor. Now keep in mind, guys, this is my secret recipe. They'll be succulent and delicious once you taste it. Right there, I'm adding in, my own little special, my own beef broth. Yeah, I don't really like a lot of salt in my food. I already got enough for the season, so I just add that in there. Then on top of that, I put in the gravy powder mix. The thing about it, that's why I don't add a lot of sodium in there because there's enough sodium already with the gravy, but it adds super flavor to everything, okay? Mix it all together, get it right, every bit of a little attention to everything. There you go, don't miss a spot. Then I wrap it up and I cook it in the oven at about 450 for 3 hours. That's one key thing. You gotta let it cook for about 3 hours at 450. After that, you see how tough, you see how soft it is. Look, ouch, ouch, just fall off the bone. Ouch. And look at no resistance, just coming off all tender and delicious. From that point, I put it back in the oven because it's already done, but I want to, get like a little another glaze on top of it. So I put it back in the stove for additional 15, 20 minutes at the same heat. Then you take it out. Bam! Look at that. Beautiful. Look at it. Just sizzling. Looking good. Delicious. I mean, everything blended together. All soft. Falling apart. Melts in your mouth and not in your hand. Those my oxtails.